Hi everyone, it's Molly, and as you can see I am not wearing a coat. I'm in Spain, and I'm going to do the full moon workshop from here on Thursday evening at 8 o'clock. Now, I would like to be able to say to you we're all going to have a really happy time, but I would impress upon you that this workshop is probably going to be more important than others because this moon isn't very nice. It's a bit hostile, it's oppressive, it's a bit nasty, and you may already be feeling emotions of inner tension inside you, with one part of you wanting to go in one direction and another part wanting to go in another direction. Yeah, and it could be feeling a bit lonely, moods of feeling a bit melancholic, a bit down, a bit low. But all this we're going to clear on Thursday evening. Yes, at 8 o'clock, as you know. So do remember to come on because it's going to be a really important one for you. And we haven't had any healing now for a month or so, have we? So I'm going to look forward to seeing you. I'm losing my voice now. That's all I need, everybody. Hang on, let's have a little cough. Yeah, I'm going to look forward to seeing you on Thursday and wiping out all of that emotion that's going on in you. Okay? Lots of love, Molly.